East. 2 blocks in the sled. Watch where the leaderboard goes on the north side. On the north side. Feet on the north side, 307 on the north side. On the south side, Liz Brown coming to town, 85 Chevrolet. She gets a little spin right at the end, and that's exactly the way they want it right there. Chevrolet. Looks like almost like Persian orange Chevrolet. 259 and 2, 259 and 2 on the south track. Corey Rourke coming up there. Corey Rourke coming up. Corey couldn't make it first time out, but he is the second time. Keep going, Corey. Go to the brakes. Come on, word by Dodge fans. Urge him on. Bring him down the track. And let Corey get that lap. That's what the Chevy guys told me. Come on, Ford fans, help him. Come on, help him get off the line down there. All done. Seth right now holds the 2-foot Fred award this afternoon. That 200-foot bar. Way to go, John. Thanks for coming up. Bringing the great race with you. South side, here we are. Tanner Foley in 82 Chevrolet. Tanner Foley with the 82 Chevrolet. On the track at a little bit 320 feet. Did you hear that? One of only 3 Dodges in the play. Look out, Chevrolet fans, here he goes. Wyatt Snyder! Wyatt is in the clinic this afternoon. Our leading distance right now, 262-foot laid down here, 260 foot. He is our first pull. He has the option to take it or turn it down. He's going to find out exactly what he's going to do. Singer, sled rental, Greenville, Ohio. Little Dino on the north side. Here comes our second four in the class, coming back on the class. Here to run out on a 6500 sweet legal gas. Aaron Young.